Good day, I'm Carrie-Ann Smith, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, November 21. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, is reporting that the short-term prospects for the Jamaican economy are positive.
And this is based on an expectation of continued strengthening of productive activities in most industries.
PIOJ's Director General was speaking Wednesday as he reported that after 6 consecutive quarterly declines, the economy rebounded with a marginal increase in real GDP of 0.6% for the July to September quarter.
Outturn for July to September largely reflected the impact of improved weather conditions and initiatives geared at improving productivity and output, which supported growth in agriculture, an increase in capital expenditure by key public bodies, and an expansion in the volume and value of mortgages disbursed, improved performances in mining and tourism.
Projection for the October to December quarter is that real GDP should see further growth within a range of 0.5 to 1.5%. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, has joined forces with the police, student organizations, principals, and other stakeholders to address reported antisocial and other inappropriate behaviors by students at the Halfway Tree Transportation Center. JUTC Managing Director Colin Campbell said marshals had been posted at the center, particularly on a Friday, to help reduce the bundling of students in the center. The marshals are mainly former teachers and representatives of various parent-teacher associations.
It has been fairly successful. We have had a much listening of the build-up of kids in there on Friday evenings, and we have been able to move out in a better way and in a way that matches the transport flows in the evening.
The health sector has been strengthened with the arrival of 20 Cuban medical professionals who will be delivering services across the 4 regional health authorities. At a welcoming ceremony on November 15, held at the Bustamante Hospital for Children, Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson said 2 pathologists and 3 dentists being among the group was historic and significant. He said the pathologists would facilitate quicker turnaround times for test results in the National Public Health Lab.
The dentists will allow us to place more focus on dental health care, especially at the community level.
The other health professionals in the group include 3 general practitioners, 1 neonatologist, 5 neonatology nurses, 1 primary healthcare nurse, 4 nephrology nurses, and 1 nephrologist. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton has endorsed a community-based initiative to improve living conditions of Trenchtown residents. Minister Hilton says the recently held Trenchtown Trade and Investment Fair can only serve to improve the economic circumstances of inner-city communities.
This effort is important to the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, and we are prepared to work closely with community-based initiatives such as this to make available the necessary assistance.
The Trade and Investment Fair held last Saturday at the Emancipation Park featured community-based micro-entrepreneurs showcasing and selling their goods and services. Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller, is appealing for Jamaica to renew its commitment to road safety. The Prime Minister said this was a national imperative in her message marking World Day of Remembrance for Road Crash Victims, presented by Attorney General Patrick Atkinson on November 17.
I urge all of us to recommit ourselves to the vital goal of road safety. Jamaica must return to a downward trend in road fatalities. We must practice responsible road usage as part of a lifestyle change.
And finally, 253 Jamaicans who have given at least 25 years of service to the public sector have been honored for their contribution to national development. The Civil Service Long Service Medals were presented to the 2013 recipients in a ceremony at King's House Wednesday. Minister with responsibility for the public service, Horace Daly, said the award was a small token from a grateful nation.
No amount of awards can fully express a nation's gratitude to today's awardees. However, it is hoped, certainly by me, that this event shows some form of recognition of their stellar contributions to the public service.
The JIS's Enthros Campbell was previously named the 2013 Civil Servant of the Year. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Carrie Ann Smith. Thanks for watching.